Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro V6. This vehicle has a 3.5 liter V6 with 278 horsepower, 265 pound-feet of torque. This one has a 6-speed automatic transmission. I believe you can also get a 6-speed manual, and the automatic when it was new was extra cost, which is interesting. Put it in reverse and you get a backup camera. It's pretty poor resolution. Yeah, it's pretty bad for a 2023 vehicle, but you know, at least you got a camera, which is decent, I guess. And then you do have the dynamic guidelines. You have heated front seats, nice leather wrapped steering wheel, and in the gauge cluster you can see the compass, the speed limit, and all that good stuff. The steering wheel feels really nice. Seats feel real comfortable. I love the TRD Pro stitching. The logo stitched into the headrest and the red stitching on the seats. It's quite nice. I like how it says TRD on the shift knob. But yeah, it's a simple interior in here. And you know, these vehicles are these Tundras and Tacomas from this previous gen are really reliable. This car will last forever if you take care of it. And I like the way they look. I also like these Tacoma TRD Pro floor mats. You do have like these small step rails, and this one is lifted. Seems like, yeah, it's lifted for sure. Here are the rear seats. Good looking truck. Let me turn on the daytime running lights real quick. Seems like they're off right now. Yep, there it is. Good looking daytime running lights on this truck. This is a really good looking Tacoma. You have the exhaust over there. It says TRD on the exhaust, which is really cool as well. And here's the trunk bed. It says TRD Pro stamped into the metal there too. A lot of TRD Pro badging on this. All right. All right. Let's see how this Tacoma drives. Yeah, it's just this one looks it's a really good looking truck. And I love the way the new Tundra and Tacoma TRDs look as well. And the Sequoia TRD. Really cool cars. And it's cool how this has a manual transmission. I mean, can come equipped with the manual transmission. I think that's really cool to have a pickup truck with the manual. I'd definitely drive a manual Tacoma all day. And you can get the manual in the new Tacoma TRD off-road, but you can't get it in the TRD Pro like this previous generation. Decent acceleration, engine sounds pretty good. Like these Toyota trucks are just feel very well built. Toyota has a great reputation with making high quality products. This vehicle is no exception. It feels very nice in here. A lot of people like the simplicity, including myself, in this vehicle. It's just there's no gimmicks in here. It's just nice and simple. Everything feels good. The leather feels really high quality. I like the shape of the shifter. It feels really good. It just feels cool. Yeah, I'd really like to test drive a manual Tacoma, see how it functions and what it's like to drive a manual Tacoma. It seems like a really cool setup. Yeah, for what it is, it has more than enough power. It's not fast or anything, and you shouldn't expect like a, you know, TRD pickup to be like super fast or anything like that. It's got enough power for what it is, and I'm sure it's extremely capable off-road. That's the point of these trucks, these TRD Pro models. You can use them for everything: daily driving, off-roading, long trips. It's perfect for everything. And with this one being lifted, I really like the ride height. It's pretty cool in here. It's pretty nice. Definitely gets a bit bumpy for sure. It's a good sounding engine. Sounds very nice. You know, the thing, you definitely do, it definitely gets really bumpy when you're driving around in like a lifted SUV or truck. It gets real bumpy right now, and that's how it feels in a lot of lifted ones. So if you're going to be driving long distances, it might get a little frustrating after a while, the bumpiness, but you know, overall it's fine. But you should, yeah, but if you're going to be off-roading in it often, it makes total sense to get it lifted. But yeah, don't lift your truck if you're never going to take it off-road. There's really no point. Yeah, I'm sure this would be really fun off-road. But overall, it's a nice truck, feels great, looks great, it's reliable. It's pretty cool. And you do have built-in navigation. And you do have Apple CarPlay. I think it has Android Auto as well. Yeah, pretty nice truck. But anyways, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for cool pre-owned vehicles like this Tacoma TRD Pro.